Hi guys, here's how to connect an Android phone to the Vhedia G Series head unit. First step, go into Bluetooth on the head unit, hit connect. That'll bring up the page for the head unit for Bluetooth. Then you want to go onto your Android phone, look for Vhedia Q, or whatever the head unit is called. Hit that, it'll then start pairing. Once it's done pairing, hit pair. Now that it's connected, if you go out, then onto whichever CarPlay app they're using, to Zlink, should begin connecting once you hit Android Auto. As you can see now, it's connected. This is just a tester phone, hence why you can't see Google Maps, but with a proper phone with a SIM card, it should show that. Thank you.